Hello, Jared here with Shading Texas. Hey, we installed this screen a few months ago, and actually the client asked us to come back and put another screen on this side. But I just looked at this and I was like, wow, that's just beautiful. Everything matches amazing. So I just wanted to kind of show this one off a little bit. It's about 160 inches wide, so about maybe 14 feet. But look at down the side here, not a single wrinkle, nothing, maybe a little bit from the wind, but I mean, it's pulled super tight all the way through. And then as I bring it up, you can see here what we've got going on. Just a nice clean system. I'll kind of bring it around this way. And you can see kind of what really happens. They get really pounded by the west sun over here. I'm actually going to kind of stop it here, bring it around this way, and kind of give you guys a really good idea of what the view is from a 97% looking out. And here it is, guys. So still a really great view out of this 97%. Brings it down. Okay, anyway, this is Jared, the owner of Shading Texas. You can see us at www.shadingtexas.com. Thank you.